I'm David with Scott's Pizza Tours, and today we're going on a walking tour of Greenwich Village. We offer walking tours through many different neighborhoods in New York City. On each tour, we visit 3 pizzerias, showcasing 3 unique styles of pizza, all in about 2.5 hours. And the stops change daily. It just depends on the group and the conversation that's going on that tour that day. But we always go behind the scenes to learn about the history, the science, and the cultural impact of these styles of pizza. This is the Friends building here in the West Village, where the whole TV show Friends is set down here. Many of those scenes take place with the characters eating pizza or meeting for pizza or ordering pizza. It just helped reinforce pizza as like an everyday type of food. So if that looks like a good time, head over to scottspizzatours.com and check out our tour schedule.